Good day. Today you will learn how to install WordPress on your Godaddy domain name. So you log into your Godaddy account. After logging in, click on the menu item here, then click on Manage My Products. So after clicking on Manage My Products, scroll down and find Manage WordPress. So click on Manage WordPress, then you click on Manage. But meanwhile, you must have already bought WordPress web builder from Godaddy. Now you click on setup here. Actually, I've already integrated one of my domain name and install WordPress on it. So this is how it's going to look. You can check the settings here. But if you are just getting started to install the WordPress on your domain name, you you have to add your domain name on it. So to do that, you come down here and then click on attach domain. Then you will see the list of domain names that you have bought in your Godaddy account, or you can just add an external domain name here from here. So let's take for instance, I want to install WordPress on this domain name. Just click on it and then you click on attach, and that's how you do that. So after installing, you can activate the SSL. The SSL certificates the security of the website, and you can also, you want to buy domain name, you can buy from here and some other things like that. Then after installing, just click on edit site, and then you'll be redirected to WordPress, to your WordPress account dashboard. So now it says login in security to your WordPress site. Now you'll be able to access your WordPress dashboard. So this is how the WordPress dashboard will look like. Now, for you to log into your WordPress dashboard, just go to your, type in your domain name, then /yp-wp-admin. Then you enter your username and password. If you want to make changes to your username and password, just come to users, and you can, from here you can add new user if you want, or you can edit. As the website owner, WordPress will automatically create a user for you. So you can change the password from here. You can assign a username, then you can change the password here. You can generate new password and just change it from here. So that's how you can install WordPress on your Godaddy domain name.